Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka jalla ukondret ke Sangma loong ba ka Jingtwa ka PA Sangma Stadium Hatura karina ka daw jong ka Jingre jong ka Mariang bad shimdan ka Jingkynnoh Ïano. Menteri Rangba ula krania kani ka janmit jong ka lai phautrek ujiliu ara jahar arpulai ha ka baula pentep ba ka jimpun ko igi kanrum kanram na ka stadium ladap bandum dot. Shu Menteri Rangba loong ba ka Jingkala ka sun beneng kalakta ya shibun ki jaka handai kat kum kanam wettest place on earth lani kata ka jaka baji tama ka perthai kindan bet ki jaka ke bansak ta ha ka Mariang.
This is an executive area, and from the executive point of view, government of Meghalaya has already removed all the actions from the administration to remove the debris have already been done. And as the reports also has come in, preliminary reports I have mentioned that have come in that says that it was because of the blockades that took place out there, and no damage out there has been there to the structure. Well, this is of course nothing to do with performance of anybody. It's purely a nature's, it's a natural phenomena, so which nobody has control on. So that's something that if of course it happens, then well, that's something that there's not much we can say about. But of course we have seen that global warming and climate change has led to these kind of changes. So these areas are of course areas of concern for us. But as I said, as per the tag of the wettest place on the earth, of course it's going to be an area which we will be very unhappy if that happens and we lose it. We would not want to lose the tag because it's been there something with us for many years, decades and centuries. But as I said, it's something that is beyond the control of any human being or beyond the control of any government, and it's a natural.